So if you want to make money online, $2,000 every single month directly coming into your bank account and without any special skills, okay, so you don't require any extraordinary skills to do this stuff. It's really simple stuff and you can make a lot of money just by doing these little things. Okay, so now let's get started without wasting any of your time and let me show you how you can make all this money using Fiverr. Okay, I'm gonna show you some of the gigs which don't require any important or special skills and you can start making money out of it. So now let's get first. Okay, so the first is this one. Okay, so let me show you this gig. Okay, so I will write an excellent Amazon SEO product listing. Okay, description. So what this guy is doing, that you have seen a lot of products on Amazon, okay, and what you have seen the description of particular product. Okay, so just you have seen a lot of description on Amazon products and you just know how a description is written. Just watch out some of the descriptions of Amazon and write a product description for those clients. Okay, so you can get the clients just over here on Fiverr. Just create a gig just like this. Or if you still don't know how to write at Amazon SEO Amazon product listing, then just go to YouTube. There are a ton of videos. Just search for how to write an Amazon description, product description, and you can learn that stuff and start making money out of it. Okay, so this is really interesting and you can make a lot of money because there is zero investment. All you need to do is watch a YouTube video, learn how to write an Amazon description, and then you can just go and start doing it. It does not require any special skills. Okay, so don't worry about that. Now the second thing is logo design. Now many of you may be saying that you will tell about canva.com and all that stuff. I'm not gonna tell you about canva.com because most of the templates which are there available on canva.com are almost used, but still there is one platform which is relatively new and not many people are using that platform. Okay, so you can create logos with that platform. That platform is known as Crello.com. Okay, so you can use this platform and create logos, okay, and just sell them on Fiverr. The trick about logo designing on Fiverr is that for the first you have to sell your logos for a less price. Okay, and then what you have to do is just make a gig, list it for $5. Okay, and as you start getting orders, just go on increasing your prices. Okay, and that's how you can make a lot more money on Fiverr.com. Okay, so use this tool which is known as Crello.com to make logos. Now the third is this type of animation videos. Okay, let me show you one of the animation videos and how they create. So there are a lot of this type of animated videos available on this Fiverr. Okay, and let's show you. So this guy only makes a 15-second of animation videos and he just charges $50. That's insane because you can create this type of this type of animation videos for a very less price. Okay, let me show you the place from where you can create this type of videos. So this website is known as animemaker.com. Now the best thing about this website is that you can make 5 videos absolutely for free. Okay, so just go to this website, just create a gig, get the order and go to this website and just start creating this type of animation videos. Okay, if you don't know how to create animation videos, then there are a lot of tutorials on Animemaker available on YouTube. Okay, it's just a copy paste. All you need to do is drag and drop and you can create animated videos just like this explainer videos, and just for $15 seconds video you can charge almost $50. That's insane. And you can see this guy got a lot of orders. Okay, so you can also make a lot of money just by doing this. In the end of the video I'm going to show you a really interesting platform, okay, which is relatively new, and the best thing of that platform is it's a marketplace just like Fiverr and it is new. There are not many sellers on that platform, and that's the reason why you can make a lot more money on that platform as you will be ranking on the first page. Okay, so now let's go to the next idea. Okay, so the next is okay, here. So the next is this one, a website review. So what those guys do, they just review a particular website and then present their opinion on that website. Okay, for example, this guy just reviews a website. For example, you have to see a website and tell that you just need to make some improvements. I just find it difficult to navigate the website, or what does this particular thing mean, and all that stuff, for example. And that's it, what you have to do, and review a website. All you need to do is present your opinion about the website, and you can get paid for that. And you can see this guy does it for $20, this guy does it for $10, this guy does it for $5. You can just start doing this and making money from Fiverr. Okay, so just gradually go on increasing your price. Okay, the next gig is this YouTube SEO. What I will do, YouTube SEO, okay, and improve ranking. All he is doing is just writing title tags and description of YouTube SEO. Now, many of the people may be saying that I don't know how to do YouTube SEO. Just go to YouTube, search for how to write how to do YouTube SEO. You can find a lot of videos. Just watch 1 or 2 videos and you can easily learn how to do YouTube SEO and start making money with this type of gigs. Okay, so that's really something very easy and you don't require any special skills to do that. Now the next thing is that this one, I will suggest a name for your business. Okay, so what this does is this just suggests a good name for the businesses, and you can see they are charging money for this. Okay, and they are also getting orders. So now let me show you a trick. Okay, a trick is that use this website, okay, which is known as let me go back a little, which is known as namelicks.com. Now I have searched for the keyword health and it has generated a lot of so let's go for short names which are related to health. Okay, just go to this website and you can get a lot of name ideas from here. They just say that you can see, so you got a lot of name ideas from here. Now all you need to do is just get the name idea to the person who has ordered and just give him the name. Okay, and you can start making money with this. Okay, just get the idea from over here. Okay, that's really simple. Okay, there are lots and lots of this type of website, and there are also websites which also suggest taglines. Okay, so don't worry about that. Okay, so you can do that stuff also. Then the next thing is this one is a little bit, you require a little bit thing. Okay, the only thing which you require is your smartphone camera and a white background. Okay, just have your smartphone camera and a white background, and after that you can create this type of spokesperson video, and they charge a lot of money. So this person just creates a 1-minute spokesperson video and he charges almost more than $100. Okay, so just as you can see that he charges $75 just for a 1-minute spokesperson video. Okay, and you can earn a lot of money because the only number of words he is going to speak is 100. Okay, and you can see that all this stuff, and it's only a full HD video which you can definitely record from your smartphone. So all you need is a smartphone, which probably every one of my audience is having, and you require a white background, which you can purchase a white background cloth for $10 to $20 on Amazon, and just start creating this type of spokesperson simple videos and start making a lot of money, because it only requires white background in the back. Okay, that's really insane. You can see this guy just has a white background, this girl just has a white background, and all they are creating is 1-minute videos, not more than that. This guy even doesn't have a background. Okay, still he has got 19 or so. You can see this 19 people have ordered this person, okay, to create a video for them. So that's really insane, because you can see not even a background is required for that, and you can start making money. He's just probably recording this with his smartphone, okay, and he is making a lot of money out of it. So you can just do this stuff. Okay, and in the last, now it's the bonus. Okay, so this is the website which is relatively new. Okay, this is a new website, not too old, and that's the reason why on this website you get a lot of things. Okay, and now in this website there are a lot less sellers. Due to this, there is less competition on this website, and this can really benefit you and make you rank on the first page and make most money out of this website. This is just a marketplace just like Fiverr.com, and you can start making money. Okay, so in lots and lots of things, there is almost zero competition on this website, and you can start making money on this website. It's really awesome, and you can just create a gig on this website with Fiverr.com, on this website as well as Fiverr.com, and you can start making money. Now let me show you some of the gigs which are there in this website, but still there are a lot less sellers. Okay, and this platform is growing day by day, but still this platform is relatively new, and due to that not a lot of people are providing their services over here, and that's the reason why you can see just only this many people are providing here this service of YouTube thumbnails. See, a lot less people, so you can just list yourself on this website and start getting orders really very fast. So this is about YouTube thumbnails. Now there are lots and lots of other things, for example Photoshop and many other things. T-shirt designs. Okay, so you can also use Crello.com for designing t-shirts. Okay, so you can also use Crello.com to just make a gig on this website. There are a lot less gigs on this website, so you can do this particular stuff and start making money out of it. Okay, so this is the bonus, and this is the bonus website on which you have to go and create something. Okay, just take action on any of the ideas, whichever connects to you, whichever you love the most, and you can start making money with this. Okay, so this is that's all for today's video. So if you are interested in make money online, affiliate marketing, online business, then you can check out all these other videos on my channel. They will provide you a ton of value on how to make money online and all that interesting stuff. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.